Reading Pandas by Mamta Siroya, Phonics and an Early Literacy Program.
Hi, welcome back. This is Mamta Siroya here. I'm the founder of Reading Pandas, a Phonics and an Early Literacy Program. Now today what I'm going to teach you is how to read CVC words with the vowel A. But before that, let's see who's come here today. Hi, this is Betty, the big beaked whoopee. Hi Betty, do you know what are CVC words?
Yes, I know them. They are cake, worm and candy words.
Cake, worm and candy words? No. Do you want to learn them?
Yes.
So today I'm going to teach you how to read CVC words. Now CVC words are consonant, vowel and consonant words. And before I start, let me tell you that very often when we teach our students how to read CVC words in three isolated phonemes, for example, p, a, t, we see children sometimes they'll end up reading it as tap or pot or maybe just completely different word. And hence the technique that I'm going to teach today is called Successive Blending, and it is very effective in establishing better reading fluency as it reduces the burden on the child's short-term memory. So now before I teach you how to blend, let's revise again that the short vowel sound for letter A is A. And now let's begin. H, A, ha, P, A, pa, R, A, ra, K, A, ka. So what we have done here is we have blended the first consonant and then the vowel together. Let's do some more. S, A, sa, B, A, ba, F, A, fa, and M, A, ma. Now once you are thorough with the consonant and the vowel blending, now let's get in the last sound. Hat, hat, pat, bat, rat, rat, cat, cat. Very good. Sat, sat, bat, bat, fat, fat. And then finally we have ma, as mad. Very good. Now let's move on to the other segments in A CVC words. Now let's begin. And remember, we have to blend in the first consonant and then the vowel. T, a, ta, m, a, ma, p, a, pa, r, a, ra, f, a, fa, k, a, ka, and then the last one is b, a, ba. Very good. And now let's see what's the last sound. Peekaboo. Ta, tan. Ma, man. Pa, pan. Ra, ran. Fa, fan. Ca, can. And then the last one is va, van. Very good. And now let's move on to the next segment of the A CVC words. Now let's continue So now let's revise the blending one more time. La, ta, sa, ka, na, ga, and then the last one is ma. And now let's see what's the last sound. La, p, lap, ta, p, tap, sa, p, sap, ca, p, cap, na, p, nap, ga, p, gap. And now the last one is ma, p, map. That is fantastic blending. We just got to practice a little more now. Now moving on to the next segment, let's revise the blending one more time. Na, ka, ja, ta, la, and da. And now let's see what's the last sound. Peekaboo. Na, b, nab, ca, b, cab, ja, b, jab, ta, b, tab, la, b, lab, and the last one is da, b, dab. Very good blending. And now let's try the other segment. But before that, don't forget, we got to practice the blending. La, ra, ta, sa, na, ba, ha, and va. And now let's get in the last sound. And what's that? What's the last sound here? It's g. La, g, lag. Ra, g, rag. Ta, g, tag. Sa, g, sag. Na, g, nag. Ba, g, bag. Ha, g, hag. And the last one is va, g, vag. Wonderful children, very well done. And now let's move on to the next segment. Now let's continue. Ja, ra, ha, ya, and da. And now let's get in the last sound. Ja, jam. Ra, ram. Ha, ham. Ya, yam. And now the last one here. Da, dam. Are we having fun blending? Now moving on to the last segment of a CVC word. Da, pa, sa, la, ha, and then we have ma. Now who's coming? The last sound. Peekaboo. Da, d, dad. Pa, d, pad. Sad, sad. Lad, lad. Had, had. And the last and the final one for today, mad, mad. I hope you have found this video helpful. Do like, share or subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. I've also put up detailed tutorials for the other vowels. Don't forget to check the link which is mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for watching us and hope to see you soon there.